home prices continue to retain their value, with prices up 6.5% at the end of 2022 compared to 2021. It's Friday, January 20th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. Nationally, out of the big 318 home markets tracked, those areas that saw the biggest increase in price growth will likely see a 5 to 7% shrinkage in prices. Those markets will include San Francisco, Seattle, Austin, Boise, San Jose, and Las Vegas. 5 to 7%, however, is not a big shrinkage compared to how much the appreciation value was in those areas. Though the number of homes sold in Maryland last year fell to 21.2% compared to 2021, we still have an inventory shortage and prices are expected to appreciate 4.6% this year. Since my last report, 548 new properties are coming soon, showing an increase in potential homes to the market, however still down. 673 homes came on the market, which is down half of what has been trending. 544 went under contract, down slightly from last report. 741 moved to pending, also down from last report. 663 homes sold in 24 days and are trending longer on the market. The highest priced home to sell this past week was this waterfront home in Easton for $3,295,000. Rentals available are down this report to $2,150, holding steady at $2,300 per month, and days on the market have also risen to 34 days before lease. Is there a move planned in 2023 for you? I can help, so let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for January 20th, 2023. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, stay safe.